Okay. Heavy. I got it. It's not a bad one. What do you think, Kai? Is that a big one? That's a nice one for you. Off he goes. Welcome back to Super Slam Outdoors, everybody. I just got the shack set up. This is probably part 3 or 4, put that on the screen here, of the Jimmy Jackfish Derby, fishing for pike. I'm gonna stay overnight. I brought Kai, the cat, yes. So this is gonna be his first time overnight fishing. Pretty excited. I'm just gonna get everything, the last couple things in the shack. I got my cot, I've got a chair, I've got everything else in there. Let's grab Kai and we'll bring him in the shack. You good? Oh, you found a chair to sit on? Is that gonna be your spot today? You gonna make me sit on the cot? Got some mats down. Got the cot back in there. I'm sure Kai will find. Hey! No! You stay away from that, that's hot. Thank you. I'm sure Kai will find that spot real fast. Sit in the sun. It's already so hot in here. I'm gonna take these ski pants off, I think. I'm just gonna sit in the shack all day, all night. I got a hole there, hole over there. Get one of these Cisco's in right away. Stop meowing. You're fine. Mom's not coming. Don't fall in a hole this time. All right, all set up. Got one rod there, one rod there. Heater going. Kai's got his litter box. Got 2 bump boards for the tournament. What are you doing? You think you can just steal my chair? Or should you sit on my lap? He's all happy now. He explored everything. Now he's just content with sitting being a cat. Doing cat things. Doesn't look like it's going to be very big. But you never know. You still got it. I don't want to set it just yet. Get this bell off of here. All right. No, not very big. Could be a walleye though. What is it? Little teeny tiny guy. Wow. Very small. Just a little guy. It's about the smallest pike I've ever caught here. Oh, waste a Cisco on this little guy. Off he goes. You could be part of this.
Oh, she asked me if I had done the pair.
Oh yeah.
But she said it's not required, so. I guess I probably don't need to go and do it.
Okay, let's see. It's a little better than the last one, not much.
Oh, you have a fish on here?
Yeah, I was like trying to tell you like a whole bunch of times.
Oh.
Okay, it's not as small as I thought. You're just going ahead and talking. I'm like, Matt, I got a bite. Shut up. Just a little guy.
How would you look at that, eh?
Oh. Here you go, Matt. Oh yeah. Everyone, this is Matt Henry from Great North Photography. I might or might not link his Instagram in the comment section down below. or in the description.
Oh, you better link the Instagram, Dave.
See a fish. That was my big Cisco too. I was hoping to catch a really big one on that. Okay, we got a bite on the other rod here. Looks like it might be a good one. Oh yeah. Take the jingly bell off. Am I recording? Yeah. Okay. Heavy. Yes. Here we go. Oh no. I still got him. Listen to drag a bit. Just heavy, not fighting real hard. But really, really heavy. There's a run. There we go. Okay. Nice big head shakes and big runs. Love it. I love it. Haven't seen it yet. Be the one. Be the one. I don't think it's an absolute monster. It's a nice fish though. I got it. It's not a bad one. It's not a bad one. That's a big head. He's gurring at me. Oop. What's that about? Just... It's a long, skinny one. $38 and 3/4. Whoa. Long and skinny 38 3/4 inch pike. What do you think, Kai? Is that big one? That's a nice one for you. Alright, we'll let him go here. Holy, long and skinny. Off he goes. $38 3/4 inch pike. Needs to be 41 to even place, so we're in the right ballpark. That's only 2 1/4 inches that we need to upgrade, so should be good. Should be good. Let's try and stay positive and get a nice fish. Get an even bigger one. Little update for you guys. It's 9:43. Haven't had a bite since just before dark. Kai's just hanging out. He's a little scared of the ice cracking and whatnot. And there was a coyote howling just down the lake, so he was a little scared from that too, but He's doing all right. All I've been doing the last little while is playing Game Boy. If I don't see you before the morning, that means I didn't catch a fish. Otherwise, I'll see you when I catch a fish. But I feel like it's going to be morning before anything bites. All right, I'll see you later.